Sport coaching as a degree programme, we sit within the Faculty of Science in Sport and Exercise Science, looking at coaching skills and development, and we're looking at that through the lens of a multidisciplinary team from psychology to physiology to coaching practice as well.
There's always practicals going on, it's really involved and you're very one-to-one with your lecturers.
The staff that are there and are doing the lectures, they're really supportive and are always being proactive and asking me like, am I okay, and getting feedback from me.
I feel like I can always go and speak to them about anything.
If you just go and see them, they'll give you as best help they can and they're always there for you no matter what.
The facilities they offer to you are just like top of the range. The gym's fantastic.
The sports hall's just absolutely humongous, so when I walked in I was like kind of gobsmacked by it.
The sport coaching degree covers quite a broad variety within the first year, from exercise physiology to psychosocial skills to very basic research methods. We then build into level 5s and level 6 for your second and third year, where students can actually pick more optional modules and hopefully then dovetailing into what their major project's then going to be in the final year.
Today we've been delivering our own sessions. It could be boxing, it could be football, netball, whatever you like. It's basically to work on our own skills.
Today I got to coach and then sit with one of my peers, and he went through what I could develop on and what went really well in my session. It was a really good perspective to gain on my own coaching.
With placements on the sport coaching course, in their first year we expose them to quite a few different competition settings, so they go and help volunteer. Usually this is with a disability sport like pentathlon.
So far I've done working with some disabled children. At the end of the session, walking away with a smile on their face, being able to kick the ball. I found the whole day really rewarding.
They've got 30 hours of placement at level 5, which is attached to an assessment, and they've got 30 hours at level 6 that are also attached to an assessment. Coming away from the 3 years, they actually are gaining essentially 3 different placement opportunities that they can build their academic and their personal networks, and they can start to then populate their CV as well.
I want to go on to be a coach and I want to have a coaching career, and I just think this will give me the experience and the qualifications I need to make that step forward.
A lot of our students do go on to working with higher education, doing a PGCE route way, going into PE teaching that way. One of the main job roles coming out of this is becoming a coach, but as well as private coaching, we've also got coaches that are going to go overseas and form coaching partnerships over there as well.
I'm looking to be a sports coach in hopefully like martial arts.
If everything goes to plan, I can get in a higher coaching in either rugby or football in Division 1.
I really like being a student in Liverpool because it's just loads of fun.
Coming in the daytime and going for a coffee with the other students and stuff, it's just a really friendly city to study in and to live in as well.
There's always something going on no matter where you are.
You pretty much know everyone on your course, especially sports coaching.
When I come in, I just feel like I belong like at the university, which is just a really nice feeling to have.